Scott Clark got the Scott Clark.
Give it the boot.
The S starts with an S. Oh, there you go, brother. Enjoy your sheephead. I had to take off the hook for you easily. You want me to scoop back up?
No, I'll throw him. I'll touch him. I'm not afraid to touch him.
Atalo, you can see this right now. He's not scared. Oh, never mind.
What color is it?
Don't even look at that.
What color was he using?
Oh, don't even look at that. Oh, he fumbled twice there. Freshwater drum. Oh, Scott. Atalo, I'm sorry. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucket outrageous day. So today we're back on the short river. Alright guys, so on the last episode, you guys seen that me and Scott, we actually headed out. It was a Monday morning and we super slayed. Everybody got their limit. Scott, wasn't that a fun day?
Awesome day.
Oh yeah. So Scott sits down with me for the whole entire week and you know, we're gonna have a lot of fun. It's our vacay week. I usually take it every single year. If you guys know what week that is, it's usually my favorite week. But Scott has been joining me now, and you're gonna see him a lot more often. And we're gonna try to do a special and see if we can get as many videos as we can in that whole entire week. Maybe 3, 4, 5, a few cooks and stuff like that, like you guys wanted. So we're gonna get on the shoreline and hopefully we start slaying these fish. So we're just making it on the shoreline right now and we're gonna get set. Few fish that were already caught. Water conditions are just finite. Crystal clear, west wind, pressure is rising after a nice storm, and I think this is gonna be a great evening. So stay tuned for this episode and we're gonna try to catch these fish. Let's do this. Oh, it's a big fish. That's a big fish. Hold on, look, I got you. I got you. Why are you feeling up on TJ, Scott? Nice, bro. That was an amazing hook set, TJ.
Oh, no.
That was nice.
You would, TJ, you have an advantage over me on hook sets. You know why? You're a foot taller, bro, so it's like, hiya! Oh, that's a good fish, bro.
I know.
So TJ just showed up. This is the second fish.
What is that?
Is it a sheephead? Oh no! Hey, at least it's a nice big fish. Ah, there we go. Freshwater drum, guys. On the June bug, that's got to be at least like a 6-7 pounder.
I know.
That's a big fish.
Not what I was looking for, but
No, wait, man, it's still a lot of fun, bro.
I know.
So like I said, I didn't even get my rod set up yet. He hooks into that fish.
Want it? Anybody want it?
Oh. You heard the way I laughed about that fish. I didn't have nice things to say, so I'm not gonna say nothing at all about that. Oh, it was definitely a nice fish. Great bite. That's about all it's good for.
I should take it home, put it in a batch of walleye, and give it to somebody.
Oh no, bro! You'll ruin their life.
Mix it with the walleye.
Yeah, cut it in strips the same size.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll crush somebody, bro. Oh man, I'd be disappointed. You bite into that one, it's like, what? Call you back like, yo, I think one of the walleyes is really bad tasting right now. So I don't know what you guys use out there. I've been using this G Loomis E6X, which is a beautiful rod my brother gave me. You guys know the story behind that. Told me I should be like driving a Lamborghini and have I watched my videos. And I was like, okay. You know, I was like, yeah, I watched my videos. He's like, why don't you use better gear? You should be driving Lamborghini, not Honda. So I got paired up with the Vanford here, 3000 series, and we're gonna start off with the Hollow Goblin 3/4 ounce jig. Trying to match the hatch a little bit with the jig. You know, I like ball jigs that stand up a little bit better, and we're gonna actually try to kill it with this. Nice natural colors. All right.
Time to sleep and walleye. Don't beat them.
First cast. Let's do this.
First fish.
Oh, you think so? I hope so, man. That'd be amazing. So you can hear the wind blowing from the west. I love this condition. The overcast condition is just amazing. Plus, what gets better than the Detroit view? You know, that's right on the waterfront. You can't ask for anything better, man. Like, just keep staring away and you never get tired of it. Sometimes you get a busy bridge, you get helicopters, all different kinds of freighters. Everything is out here. I even got to see a hovercraft last year. And fish on, buddy. Fish on. First cast. So great start to the evening. Felt that pound my bait, the hollow goblin. He crushed that.
I called it.
Somebody's riding up on me. Somebody's riding me. No. Yeah.
Nope.
Don't worry. Just get the net. We'll fight it off. All right. There we go. There we go. First fish of the day. Scott Clarked me. I had to go through. right?
I'm gonna go under and out.
Okay. There you go. Thank you. Got very lucky with that fish.
Fucking got some nice yellow in him.
It does, eh? So here you guys go. First cast of the evening on the hollow goblin. Hollow goblin has been one of my favorite natural colors that we made. Greenback. Yeah. Greenback. A little bit of pearlescent. And the reason why I call it hollow, there's a hologram in it. So there's your result. Nice, long, skinny male. Good size eater. It's gold, isn't it, eh?
That's nice gold.
Oh yeah, it's really gold. What a beautiful color. But this is going home to get fried.
Called it first cast.
You did, bro. You did, man. I was still in my intro pretty much. Just awesome. All right. What a great start.
Hi guys.
Hi, Coco.
How's everything?
Good. What a great start. Catching. So there you guys go. That's vehicle of the day. The Harvest Spirit. The last time we were out here, we faced ourselves this way and we had the machine that picked up geese poop. That was the vehicle of the day. But today we got a freighter ship. It looks like it's empty. I would guess cargo is going to be steel or stone, but mostly it's stone on all the time in the Detroit River. You can see the stone piles right there. They're everywhere along the Detroit River shoreline. Right there, vehicle of the day. Oh, T's got one. Second fish of the day. Yep. Man, the hollow goblin is just crushing it right now. Crushing it. Can't even keep the fish off the line. Love the eaters. Thank you, Mo. I appreciate it. Hollow goblin, bro. You should be using a hollow goblin. Yeah. I've been here just a couple minutes. This one, you can put it down. I take care of it. Thank you. So right there, check that out. Perfect hook set, nice size eater on the hollow. Love it. Right out the snout, just like Scott said in the last video. Ready? Oh yeah, the nostril. So we're gonna put this on the stringer and we're gonna be eating that. The bite is so fire right now. My brother T's got one.
Green.
He just got here too. Green is good. Green means go. Oh, it's a nice one. Look at the stripes on it, T. Haha. That's a nice one.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, he used G Baby, eh?
Yeah.
So check that out on the G Baby.
New color.
New color. Yeah, we haven't released that one yet. Here, I got it. Do you want me to put it on the stringer? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
See where you want it.
We'll share a stringer. All right.
Cool. Oh, yeah, it's wrapped. Thank you. Thank you, Coco, for nothing. Thank you.
All right.
I'll take care of it.
Yeah. All right, guys, so there we go. Me and my brother are gonna share a stringer. That's his first fish. He just got here too.
First fish ever.
Oh, get out of here, first fish ever. Hey? You know how he works. There's no fish here. I'll see he slams one.
It's a nicer one.
Yeah. Go home with a nice 2-man limit. Maybe we'll take a 3-man limit picture in the end with Scott. So there we go. All right, green, bro. All right. So the last episode, I wanted to show you guys the shiners that are down there. Hopefully the shiners are down there today. I'm gonna see and reach down there and see if we can get any shiners. That's always a good shine that they're there. You like that, eh, Scott? Anything there? Nothing yet. Let me go scoop by the corner here.
I got a really nice pen on that from
Excuse me, sir. Can I scoop at this corner real quick? I just want to see something. So there you guys go. Check out those shiners. Woo! Bro, they're giants. Might have to take some of these crappie fishing one day. Anyways, you guys see these? That's what we used to cast. I told you in the last video how we used to do it. If you guys haven't heard it, we pair it up in a jig and we cast out there and pray to God that it didn't fall off and jig it back. And if you ran out of minnows, you had to either go to the store, or if they weren't here, you had to go to, you know, get your own. That was pretty much it. And then Mr. Twisters came along and the finesse. But there you go, there's all your shiners. That's actually pretty cool. There's tons in the corner. Let's start the fishing, man. So after the second fish, you know, that was a quick bite. We actually did pretty well there so far. My brother's got one, and we're gonna give a couple shout outs there. So I think my uncle is fishing somewhere on that shoreline right there. Pete, shout outs to you, bro. I hope you catch your first walleye. You're gonna show me a picture, and I hope you use that technique and the little tips I told you and catch that fish. And whoever you're fishing with, I'm wishing you good luck too. So Pete, that's all you. So my two brothers on another fish here. T killing it, and Scott's gonna net the fish. Amazing fishing day here. Just tons. Oh, that's a good one too. That's a good one.
Oh,
nice. You're getting all the jumbos.
Thank you. Oh,
Pimp Daddy. Oh, he didn't even have to touch the fish.
Yes.
Yes, there you go, brother.
Thanks.
Oh yeah. Hey, look at that. That's a long one.
Don't want to touch your own fish.
So my brother's just killing it there. That's his other fish. I think we're at what?
Another nice one.
Two each. Two each. I wait. Fish whistle. All right. A race to the finish.
You want some more? Coco, maybe you need some.
All right. The bite is amazing.
Well, you're you know, I'm using the middle net that'll pull up a freaking sheephead.
That's a good eater. Perfect. Oh yeah, brother.
Hey, the jig is up.
Jig is up.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Oh yeah, nice catch.
Yeah,
Nice male.
Nice looking jig.
Is it? Whoa. Is this over? Oh.
The jig's out. Look at
So
that.
you guys can see this evening is fire.
What happened?
I don't know, but you're on your third fish already, man. You're killing it. Amazing. Amazing bite right now.
Color for you, silver walleye.
Silver walleye. Yeah, we should make a silver walleye color. Woo. Nice little eaters. Oh, Scott Clark.
Still suck.
So
Clark.
Sklark. So there you go, Tallow. You see your buddy Scott just crushing fish right now. Hey, slaying, eh, brother? We're having a great time on the Detroit River. He's getting some nice eaters.
Fish all weekend.
There you go. There you go. Look at that.
Thanks, bro.
Is that on the goblin too?
Yes.
Oh, the hollow gobbling.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice, nice, brother. Amazing. Nice, Jerry. Oh, yeah. Oh, you got him, Bo? All right. So Jerry's got a fish. Caught him what? Oh,
G-baby.
G-baby, G-baby. And then we're gonna see Scott's fish.
Thanks, Will.
Is that on the goblin again?
It is.
Killer, killer. Oh my God. Crushing them today on shore. Just annihilation.
See? What's that? Did your hammer a lot of fish? The river that has no fish.
So my brother is on fire right now.
Yeah, buddy.
He is on fire. They're killing it, T. I got you, T. Yeah, he's killing it. Yeah, my brother is the pimp daddy. He's killing it. We're gonna have a nice meal. So onto the stringer, and then we're gonna drop this back down. I think my brother's got what, like 5? 5. Yeah, he's got 5 already. Well, guys, the sun is starting to peek out now after that little break there. Bite has been on fire. Everybody's starting to get fish. Craziness. My brother got his limit already. He's gonna sit back and relax. And no, that was just nuts. Just nuts. Jerry too. Oh, double header. Jerry and Scott. Sklark and Jerbear. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, Arnold. Arnold, what was that? Arnold. What was that on? The goblin still?
The buck.
Oh my God, bro. Oh yeah, crushing it. I'm gonna go see Jerry real quick. Jerry slayed one too. Look at that, crushing.
Nice fish, bro.
Double headers everywhere. Boom. So Jerry's on another fish right now. Oh, bro, that's a decent size. That's a dece. That's a dece, bro. Dece means 10. No, it's not 10, but to me, oh, that's a 10. That's a 10 because you lost at the last second, brother. Awesome. Awesome, brother. Put this on your stringer. That's going to be a great eat for you, brother. Congratulations, Jerry. Oh, yeah. Killing it. All right, so I'm going to end my video today. We fished the entire evening. There was tons of fish. Everybody caught fish. It was just ridiculous. Scott, enjoy your day. Oh.
Kid you not.
Like I said, my brother caught tons of them. I caught tons of them. Scott caught tons of them. You've seen everybody just super slay. But we're gonna end our night there because it's starting to get dark. We got Jerbear in the background here killing it. Where? You know, he's always a special guest on my videos. But like I said, we super slayed, and overcast conditions, west wind, clear water. You listen to that. West is the best, east is the least. So if you follow that direction right there, you guys are gonna catch a lot of fish. So west is the best, east is the least. Make sure you check the satellite image for Lake St. Clair water clarity, and it'll tell you exactly what it is. But you guys will crush it. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you guys for watching.
Next episode, we'll be back on the water in the kayaks tomorrow morning.
Oh! So you guys see that right there? He is already letting go of what we're gonna do. So, Scott.
It's gonna happen tomorrow.
Yes.
Aham's gonna join us tomorrow. Wind City Outdoors.
Yes! 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 Okay, I'm getting skunked.
Just a preview for tomorrow's video, ladies and gentlemen. st.clair's kayak sinks to the bottom of Detroit River.
Oh, damn, your old town?
You can't say that.
Bro, like 7,000?
That's bad luck.
That is bad luck. That is bad. That's bad luck.
That's scary. That's kind of shit that make me not want to go out.
No, we're gonna win. We're gonna win. Don't worry. And don't listen to that, Scott. We're gonna win. Jerry's only just kidding.
Yes,
I am just kidding because I'm a jealous bastard because I don't have a kayak, but I'm drilling holes in his.
We see how it is. All right, stay tuned for the next episode. If you guys haven't liked, share, subscribe, I will catch you on the next one. Scott, say something.
Something.